Italy's national football team is known informally by its nickname,
Gli Azzurri.
which means the Blues. This is because Savoy blue is the common color of all the national teams representing Italy. Why does Italy wear blue, you might ask? Well, when Italy played its first game back in 1910, the country was still under the Savoia monarchy, so they adopted the colors of the royal house rather than the tricolors of the Italian flag. If you're a fan of Italy and want to know how to cheer them on in the Italian language, you've come to the right place.
Forza Azzurri.
Let's go Italy! Come on, Italy!
Forza Azzurri.
The word forza in Italian literally means strength, but it can also function as an exhortation, much like the English expressions come on, let's go, and you can do it. Forza is often combined with other exhortations such as
Dai, su.
which more or less mean the same thing. In fact, Italians often use all three together for emphasis.
Dai, su, forza.
Come on! Sometimes, instead of the team name, you'll hear Italians say
Ragazzi.
which in this context means guys.
Forza ragazzi, ce la potete fare.
Come on, guys, you can do it! And what about the rest of the year, when the national championships are over and done with? That's when you'll want to start cheering for one of the Italian football clubs. Some of the most popular include Juventus, Milan, and Inter Milan.
Forza Juventus. Forza Juve. Forza Milan. Forza Inter. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.